Peel the eggplants and slice them thinly. Soak them in salted water for 30 minutes to remove the bitterness. Meantime, mix the ground beef with grated onion and garlic, finely chopped bell pepper, and the spices, onion powder and biber. Knead the mixture well for about 10 minutes. Shape the meat mixture into small balls and fry them thoroughly in oil. Remove the eggplants from the water, dry them, and fry them in oil. As shown in the video, make pouches using the eggplant slices and meatballs, secure them with toothpicks, and arrange them in a pan. Mix the tomato puree, tomato paste, brewed saffron, and the spices, garlic powder, onion powder, and oregano, together. Pour the sauce over the pouches in the pan along with a cup of boiling water. Cover the pan and let it cook over low heat for 1 hour. Serve the eggplant pouches with rice. Enjoy your meal.